Do you ever feel like your English sounds too formal or basic? Native speakers often use simple, everyday sentences that make their English sound natural and confident. Today in episode 5, I'll share 20 of those useful sentences with you. And make sure you stay for sentence number 13. It's one I use almost every day. Don't just listen. Say each sentence out loud with me. I'll also show you exactly when and where to use it in real-life conversations. I'm Olivia from English Degree. Let's get started with our first sentence. Sentence 1. I just got home. Short, simple, but incredibly useful. You say this the moment you walk through your door, to a family member, or on a phone call. Just means it happened moments ago, very recently. It is one of those sentences that feels completely natural the second you say it. Now you say it. I just got home. Say it with me one more time. I just got home. Sentence 2. Let me think about it. When someone asks you a question and you are not ready to answer right away, this sentence saves you. It is polite. It is honest. And it gives you time. Let me means you are asking for a moment to yourself. It is far better than staying silent or saying nothing at all. Now you say it. Let me think about it. Say it with me one more time. Let me think about it. Sentence 3. I am on my way. You say this when you are traveling towards somewhere, and someone is waiting for you. On my way means you have already left and you are coming. It is one of the most texted sentences in the English language. Quick, clear, and reassuring. Now you say it. I am on my way. Say it with me one more time. I am on my way. Sentence 4. It is getting late. This sentence signals that time is moving and you need to act. Getting late means it is not late yet, but it is heading that way. You say this to remind yourself or someone else that it is time to leave, time to sleep, or time to finish something. Now you say it. It is getting late. Say it with me one more time. It is getting late. Sentence 5. I did not mean to do that. When you make a mistake, and we all do, this sentence tells the other person it was not intentional. Did not mean to means it was an accident, not a choice. It is honest and it shows responsibility. People respond well to this sentence because it is sincere. Now you say it. I did not mean to do that. Say it with me one more time. I did not mean to do that. Now let us move to sentences that keep conversations going, the kind that make people feel heard and comfortable talking to you. Sentence 6. Can we talk for a minute? This is how you open a serious or private conversation. Can we talk is a gentle but clear signal that you need someone's attention. For a minute makes it feel less heavy, like it will not take long. It is calm, respectful, and very natural. Now you say it. Can we talk for a minute? Say it with me one more time. Can we talk for a minute? Sentence 7. I am not sure about that. When you are uncertain, when something does not feel quite right, this sentence lets you express doubt without being rude or aggressive. Not sure means you do not have enough confidence to say yes or no yet. It keeps the conversation open and honest. Now you say it. I am not sure about that. Say it with me one more time. I am not sure about that. Sentence 8. What are you up to? This is one of the most casual and friendly questions in English. It means what are you doing? Or what are your plans? You say it to a friend, a colleague, or anyone you are comfortable with. It is relaxed, warm, and it always starts a conversation. Now you say it. What are you up to? Say it with me one more time. What are you up to? Sentence 9. I could not agree more. When someone says something and you completely agree, not just a little but 100%, this is what you say. It is stronger than I agree. It shows real enthusiasm and connection. Native speakers love using this sentence because it feels natural and genuine. Now you say it. I could not agree more. Say it with me one more time. I could not agree more. Sentence 10. It is worth trying. When something seems uncertain but could still be good, you say this. Worth trying means the effort is justified even if the result is not guaranteed. It is an encouraging sentence. You say it to yourself when you are hesitating, or to a friend who needs a small push. Now you say it. It is worth trying. Say it with me one more time. It is worth trying. We are at sentence 13. I told you at the beginning that this one is special. And here it is. Sentence 11. I am doing my best. For simple words. But they carry something powerful. Honesty, effort, and self-respect. You say this when things are hard and someone is putting pressure on you. It means I am not perfect, but I am not giving up either. Say it with confidence. Now you say it. I am doing my best. Say it with me one more time. I am doing my best. Sentence 12. That is good to know. When someone tells you something useful or new, this is your natural response. It shows you were listening. It shows you appreciated the information. It is polite, calm, and incredibly common in everyday English conversation. Now you say it. That is good to know. Say it with me one more time. That is good to know. Sentence 13. It is okay, do not worry about it. Here it is. The sentence I promised you. This is one of the most human sentences in the English language. When someone apologizes, when someone feels bad, when someone is stressed over a small mistake, you say this. It brings calm. It brings relief. Tells the other person that everything is fine. I use this sentence almost every single day. And once you start using it, you will too. Now you say it. It is okay, do not worry about it. Say it with me one more time. It is okay, do not worry about it. Sentence 14. I am looking forward to it. When something good is coming, an event, a trip, a meeting, a meal, you say this. Looking forward to means you are excited and happy about something in the future. It is warm, positive, and very commonly used in both casual and professional conversations. Now you say it. I am looking forward to it. Say it with me one more time. I am looking forward to it. Sentence 15. I was just about to call you. This is one of those sentences that sounds so natural it almost feels like magic. Just about to means you were on the verge of doing something and then it happened. You say this when someone calls you right before you were going to call them. It is one of those happy coincidences, and now you know how to express it. Now you say it. I was just about to call you. Say it with me one more time. I was just about to call you. These final sentences say something about who you are, how you handle difficulty, how you treat people, and how you see life. Sentence 16. I need a break. This is one of the most honest things a person can say. I need a break means your mind or body has reached its limit and needs rest. It is not weakness. It is self-awareness. Say it when you mean it, at work, at home, or to yourself. Now you say it. I need a break. Say it with me one more time. I need a break. Sentence 17. Let us figure it out together. When a problem feels too big for one person, this sentence changes everything. Figure it out means to find a solution. Together means you are not alone in this. It is collaborative, kind, and incredibly powerful. People feel stronger when they hear this sentence. Now you say it. Let us figure it out together. Say it with me one more time. Let us figure it out together. Sentence 18. I really appreciate your help. Appreciate means to recognize and be grateful for something someone did for you. This sentence is deeper than just thank you. It shows you truly notice what the other person did. Use it whenever someone goes out of their way for you. Now you say it. I really appreciate your help. Say it with me one more time. I really appreciate your help. Sentence 19. That is not what I expected. When something turns out differently from what you imagined, this sentence captures that feeling perfectly. It could be a surprise, a disappointment, or a pleasant shock. Not what I expected means reality did not match your prediction. It is a very natural and expressive sentence. Now you say it. That is not what I expected. Say it with me one more time. That is not what I expected. Sentence 20. It all worked out in the end. And we finish with this. After all the stress, all the uncertainty, all the effort, this sentence is the relief you feel when things finally go well. Worked out means things went the right way. In the end means after everything. It is one of the most satisfying sentences in English. And it reminds us most things do work out if we keep going. Now you say it. It all worked out in the end. Say it with me one more time. It all worked out in the end. And that is episode 5. 20 sentences. If you have not seen the earlier episodes yet, go to my channel. Now tell me, which sentence from today felt the most like something you would actually say? Think about it and leave it in the comments. I want to know which one connected with you. This is English Degree and I am Olivia. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. If this episode helped you, hit the like button. And if you want more real English sentences every week, subscribe to this channel. Every episode is made for you. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in episode 6.